We at war. We at war with society, racism, terrorism, but mostly though, we at war with ourselves. God show me the way because the devil trying to break me down.
They are the most honorable and selfless among us, yet they are the least remembered. The grassroots organization Forgotten Soldiers Outreach Incorporated is determined that we will never turn our backs on them.
Without the funds coming in, there's no way we can ship all the care packages. So, you know, it's always critical that we need the funds, we need the monies to be able to ship these care packages, because it does us no good and does our soldiers no good to have these packages sitting in our warehouse.
Inspired by the stories and experiences of our military families and troops, Forgotten Soldiers Outreach distributes thousands of care packages to the men and women of our armed services in hostile nations around the world.
And in the last 2 years, soldiers are actually enrolling themselves to be a recipient of our program, which shows you they're looking for that little bit of home and that morale booster. And many of them now in their 4th, 5th, and 6th deployment. Sue, I'm sure you would agree with me, is that since we have started, we've had so many volunteers that have been family members. They have someone serving overseas, and they're finding this to be therapeutic for them to be a volunteer because they feel like they're able to help, and they're in touch with their loved ones overseas. So this has become a multifaceted organization.
Our troops have responded to Forgotten Soldiers Outreach with pictures and letters from the battlefield, illustrating how precious the content of each We Care package really is.
When we first got our very first email and letter thanking us and saying what a morale booster after being on patrol for hours and hours and hours, and to be able to come back and have mail from someone that didn't even know them, and letters of encouragement and items and goodies just made their day. And to know that other people are out there that do support them, that just made me realize that what we're doing is that important.
ForgottenSoldiersOutreach.org is where your financial support and willingness to volunteer is accepted. Help the members of Forgotten Soldiers Outreach to help our troops as they protect and serve this great nation.
This is an act of humanitarian and service that, you know, I don't take the credit for. It's just something that I felt needed to be done.